Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about JSON validation. I mean, how you can actually validate your JSON is in a correct way or not. Here you can see I have write JSON code. Okay, I mean I have created a JSON file and I have write some code here. Here you can see I will actually copy all of them. Control A plus Control C, and I'll go to the browser and I'll go to this website. The website we have to say code beautify. Okay, Beautify. It is called Code Beautify. If you type Code Beautify, then you will find codebeautify.org.json here. Or you can actually go to the Code Beautify, and then here you can see JSON viewer. You just click here and you will actually come to this place. Now what you have to do, you can actually upload the file, or maybe you can actually copy and paste everything from your code editor. Now I will check. So here you can see minify and validate. So we'll actually talk about everything. First of all, if you want to check the validity, then you have to check here validate. And here you can see valid JSON. So our code is now valid. Okay. Now let's say I want to remove comma from here. So what will happen if I say validate? Here you can see parse error. All right. If I zoom out it, you can see zoom in, right? Parse error on line 21. So it's saying that in line 21 we have an error. Okay, so the error is comma. And now if I go for the validation, you can see there is no error, and now our code is also validated. Here you can see valid JSON. So let's zoom out it. Now, one thing you can see here, that minify. So what is a minify? If I click on the minify, it will actually go to the horizontally. Here you can see it's right as and vertically, right? I mean in a column wise, in a column, right? Now if I say minify, it will actually go like this. Okay, so it will actually go from column to horizontally. I mean from vertically to horizontally, right? When I say minify, then I can actually save them as XML. Here you can see to XML. Now it will actually act as XML, and I can actually save and share it, okay, from here. So yeah, this is the way you can actually check your JSON code is valid or not. This is the site where you can actually check JSON validation. I hope you understand. Thank you so much. If this video is helpful for you, please make sure to give a like and subscribe this channel for more videos like this. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.